Fast Metabolism Diet Review. Does it help weight loss? The fast metabolism diet revamps your metabolic rate, resulting in weight loss. It was developed by food coach Haley Pomeroy, a celebrity nutritionist and the author of the New York Times bestseller, The Fast Metabolism Diet. The plan requires you to follow 3 phases for 7 days. It allows you to eat specific foods in each phase while restricting other foods, which boosts your metabolism. You have to repeat the phases for 3 more weeks, along with exercise, for optimum results. Note: the fast metabolism diet is a fad. This diet should not be used for long-term weight loss. However, you may try it if you want to lose weight for an upcoming occasion or reaching a particular target under the proper guidance of a dietitian. The fast metabolism diet plan consists of 3 phases. Phase 1. Carbs and fruits, Monday and Tuesday. Phase 2. Proteins and veggies, Wednesday and Thursday. Phase 3. Healthy fats, oils, and all of the above, Friday to Sunday. Fast metabolism diet Phase 1. Carbs and fruits, Monday and Tuesday. Phase 1 helps your body de-stress and relax by allowing you to eat foods that are high in carbs and fruits, moderate in protein, and low in fats. This phase reduces stress levels and anxiety and encourages the adrenal gland to secrete less amount of cortisol, the stress hormone. Foods high in carbs and glycemic index can help regulate satiety and hunger. The foods that you will eat during this phase will rescue your body from the famine alert state, the first step towards boosting your body's metabolism. Phase 1 Diet Chart. Early morning. 4 overnight soaked almonds. 1 cup green tea with honey. Breakfast. 1 cup cornflakes with low-fat milk and fruits. Avoid banana in this phase. Or, 1 slice of multigrain bread toast, 1 boiled egg, scrambled tofu, 1 cup fat-free milk. Pre-lunch. 1 whole seasonal fruit or 1 glass of unstrained fruit juice. Lunch. Vegetable wrap or cheese sandwich. Or fruit and vegetable salad. Evening snack. Green tea and 1 multigrain biscuit. Dinner. 1 medium-sized fillet of grilled fish with veggies. Or 1 small soup bowl of lentil soup with grilled veggies and 1 slice of multigrain bread. Bedtime. 1 glass unstrained kiwi and black grape juice. Why this works? A detox drink is a great option to hydrate and rejuvenate your body. You can consume high-carb foods, fruits, and vegetables throughout the day. A small portion of protein is also allowed, according to the book by Haley Pomeroy. This will keep your body active and prepare you for the coming days of rapid weight loss. The foods listed in the diet chart may not be the best options for you. In that case, here is a list of food substitutes for Phase 1. Green tea, black tea or black coffee. Honey, maple syrup. Cornflakes, oatmeal. Milk, soy milk. Fruits 4 almonds. Multigrain bread, wheat bread or white bread. Boiled egg 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. Fresh juice 1 apple or 1 orange. Vegetable wrap, chicken or tuna open sandwich. Fruit salad 1 cup buttermilk. Multigrain biscuit 2 saltine crackers. Fish, chicken breast or mushrooms. Lentil soup, kidney bean chili. Kiwi 1/2 cup watermelon. Black grape 1 orange. Fast metabolism diet Phase 2, proteins and veggies, Wednesday and Thursday. Now that your body is stress-free, it is time to step up and prep your body to burn fat. In this phase, your body will be conditioned to accelerate its metabolic rate to burn up what you eat and also start utilizing the stored fat as energy. You will be on a high-protein, high-vegetable, low-carb, and low-fat diet. A high-protein diet increases the secretion of the satiety hormone, reduces the secretion of the hunger hormone, and induces thermogenesis. Phase 2 Diet Chart. Early morning. 4 overnight soaked almonds. 1 cup warm water with half a lime and honey. Breakfast. 2 scrambled egg whites and 1 glass of unstrained orange juice or 1 whole seasonal fruit. Or 1 glass vegetable smoothie with 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds. Pre-lunch. 1 glass of lemonade. Lunch. Vegetable clear soup and 1 toasted multigrain bread. Or tuna sandwich, use multigrain bread. Evening snack. 1 cup baby carrots. Dinner. Grilled lean-cut lamb satay. Or baked mushroom with veggies. Bedtime. 1 glass fat-free warm milk. Why this works? Lime, honey, and warm water make for a brilliant cleansing drink that can help your body lose fat. Phase 2 guides you to eat healthy and balanced portions of protein and veggies for balanced nutrition and satiety. If you do not like or are allergic to a certain food listed in the diet chart, you can substitute the foods with those listed below. Lime 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Honey 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Scrambled egg whites 2 hard-boiled egg whites or 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. Orange juice, gooseberry or aloe vera juice. Vegetable smoothie, fresh fruit juice. Lemonade 1/2 cup fat-free yogurt. Vegetable clear soup, sautéed veggies. Tuna sandwich, cucumber and tomato sandwich. Baby carrots 1/2 cup pomegranate. Lamb satay, mushroom satay or honey chicken. Baked mushroom, grilled veggies with hummus. Milk, soy milk. Fast metabolism diet phase 3. Healthy fats, oils, and all of the above, Friday to Sunday. This is the most active phase of this diet. Your metabolism is on fire, and you start to burn a lot of calories effectively. During this phase, you will eat a lot of healthy fats and oils and a moderate amount of carbs, proteins, and fruits, and veggies that have a low glycemic index. Phase 3 diet chart. Early morning. 4 overnight soaked almonds. 1 cup of green tea with lemon. Breakfast. 1 glass avocado and kale smoothie. Pre-lunch. 2 almonds and 2 cashew nuts. Lunch. Barbecue chicken salad. Or spinach, tomato, and feta salad. Evening snack. Apple. Dinner. Asian-style veggie kebab. Or grilled mackerel with yogurt dip. Bedtime. 1 cup of soy milk. Why this works? It is recommended to start your day with an effective detoxifier. Green tea and lemon are just that. Breakfast is the most important meal, and incorporating an avocado smoothie into your diet will help you consume a lot of healthy fats before your day begins. Stick to the recommended food options containing high fat and a moderate amount of carbs and protein. This will help your body get the right amount of healthy foods, which will trigger weight loss. If you are a picky eater and do not like some of the foods listed in the diet chart, eat substitute foods mentioned below. Food substitutes, Phase 3. Green tea, herbal tea or black coffee. Lemon, cinnamon powder. Avocado, peach. Kale, spinach. Almonds, pecan nuts. Chicken, tuna or mushroom. Spinach, lettuce. Tomato, roasted bell peppers. Feta, cottage cheese. Apple, pear. Veggie kebab, chicken, mushroom kebab. Mackerel, tuna or chicken breast. Yogurt dip, sour cream. Soy milk, fat-free milk. Things to remember. Consult your doctor or dietitian before starting this diet plan. Do follow this diet for 4 weeks to lose water weight as well as fat. Avoid alcohol. Do not avoid exercising. If you feel weak, do light stretching exercises. Conclusion. The fast metabolism diet may help you achieve your weight goals if combined with a regular exercise routine. There is a lack of evidence that eating particular foods can boost metabolism. This plan is unsustainable and can be followed for certain cosmetic purposes under the supervision of a dietitian. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.